friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I am Sky, the owner and founder of our online interior decor shop called Houseandholm. And over on our YouTube channel, we love to share all things home, from DIYs to decor hauls, decorating ideas, and so much more. Now, if you've been around for a little while, you know that this is our anniversary week. We are celebrating 2 years of Houseandholm, and it has been such a fun week from running our huge anniversary sale. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you hop over to our website. It's right there on the homepage. You cannot miss it. It is almost over. Tomorrow's the last day of our anniversary sale, so make sure you take advantage before it is over. We are also doing something really fun for those of you who shop with us this week during our anniversary sale. We are going to be picking 5 of you at random to get a $10 Starbucks gift card. So for those of you who have shopped, you're automatically entered to win. And if you place multiple orders within this week, you're gonna get extra entries for that as well. So lots of fun things. But I'm sure the real reason that you're all here is this huge announcement that we have been teasing. We have some really exciting news, something that has been in the works for quite some time now, and we are just so thrilled to be able to share it with you. We are launching an EDesign service here at Houseandholm. So in addition to our online store, we are also providing EDesign. Now, some of you may be wondering, what is EDesign and why would I choose that over typical traditional interior design where you have an interior designer coming into your home and doing the decorating and design for you? So I'm going to be sharing all about that in this video, and I'm also going to share specifically what services are included in that and how you can get signed up and really just all of the details. So make sure you stick around for that. Adding a design service to Houseandholm and creating more of a brand rather than just an online store has always really just been something that has been pressed on my heart. I really feel like this is something the Lord is telling me to do and to jump into right now. And so this is where we are. We've been spending a lot of time behind the scenes, just doing all the things, prepping for this, taking little courses, studying up, practicing, doing everything, just really immersing myself specifically, and then Chad kind of on the back end of things with our new landing page and all of that. That's just what we've been up to, and we just could not be more excited that launch day is here. So we are launching this service today. It is available on our website, and I'll walk you through the process. Like I said in the beginning, I'll give you a quick little overview about EDesign and show you kind of like how to go ahead and move forward or decide if this is something that's for you. We really feel strongly about just making spaces and our homes feel cozy and inviting and welcoming and like a retreat that you want to be in, kind of a safe haven for yourself, for your family. It feels really cool to be able to not only have our store to offer products to do that, but then to be able to take it one step further and have these EDesign services where we can kind of help bring your vision to life for those spaces that are in your home. So the way that it's going to work, at least in the beginning, is that I am the only designer on staff right now. Eventually, we would love to take this much larger scale and have a team of designers. We think that would be amazing, and that's definitely the dream. But the reality is right now it's just me. So I will only be able to accept a couple of EDesign clients each month, and we'll kind of get our bearings and make sure that we have a larger capacity for it as we continue to increase those amounts of clients that we're able to accept. So I did want to share that just so you know, if you get on and you see that it says sold out, just know that we're going to continue to make that available as we are finishing projects and whatnot. So each month we will probably just be accepting a small handful of clients. Okay, so why choose EDesign? EDesign services allow you, the client, to be able to be involved in the process of designing your space. I'll help with the design, and then you will be able to use your hands to create a space that you love. EDesign projects are typically smaller scale than in-person interior design. So we're not doing an entire home or entire floor of a home at one time. We're gonna go room by room. So there may only be one space in your home that you really wanna work on. Say it's your office, your laundry room, your entryway, your bedroom, your kitchen, whatever it might be. And we're gonna focus on one space. So the turnaround time for EDesign is much quicker than if you were to have an interior designer come in and work on the entire home. You'll receive your completed design board within 4 weeks of starting your project and purchasing your space on our website, which is a pretty quick turnaround time. Traditional design fees can typically add up really quickly because they are often at an hourly rate, and they also include things like labor costs, travel expenses, and so much more. While EDesign services actually come at a flat rate and are generally much more affordable. One huge bonus about our EDesign service is that there is no pressure or timeline on your end. So once your completed project is sent to your inbox, that's it. You could decide to do the project immediately, or you could decide to do it over time, whatever works best with your budget and with your schedule. We offer 2 separate EDesign services on our website. We've got a small space and a large space, and you will decide which best fits your needs, and you'll select that when you go to purchase and check out. So small spaces will be things like an office, an entryway, a laundry room, or a bathroom. And a large space is going to be a kitchen, a bedroom, a living space, and so on. So once you've purchased your space on our website, then you are going to be getting an automatic email sent right to your inbox that is going to ask you a series of questions, such as what are the measurements for your space, what are some of your wants and your needs, what colors are you typically drawn to, and so on, to help give us a better idea of what you're looking for and what you'd like to be accomplished in this project. And then there's also going to be a spot for you to upload some inspiration photos, and then also some photos of your existing space as it is before we start our project. Once that is completed and sent over to us, you will get a call from me, and we will have a phone call probably right around 30 minutes or so just to finalize everything. I can ask some questions. You can share some things that maybe were on the form that you'd like to just chat about. We could go back and forth for a little bit just to get a really clear vision for your space. And then I get to work and I start designing. So no later than 1 month after we've had our phone call, you will receive your final package. And what that's going to include is a mood board of your space, and it's also going to have links to every single product from rugs, lighting, furniture, little decor accents, and so on will all be included with shoppable links. So you have to be willing to shop online. And then you will also get a little floor plan that is going to show you how everything should be situated in the space. And because we have an online interior decor shop, we want to just say thank you for trusting us with your design. So anyone who purchases a design service from us will also get 15% off of our online store for the 30 days after you've received your finished product. So you get a discount on the items that are in our shop, and of course we'll probably try to sprinkle in a couple of the items on your design board that are from our shop as well, so that you can get those at a discount. So there's so much goodness that's included. I'll have all of this linked down below so you can go and check out our website and figure figure out if this is a good fit for you and if it's something that you'd like to do. Now, don't be scared away. I know at the beginning I shared one of the perks of choosing EDesign is that you can get your hands dirty and you can be involved in this process. We can absolutely work with you if you are not somebody who wants to be putting up shiplap or changing out flooring and things like that. We can work more on the interior decor aspect for sure, absolutely, without a doubt. So that is always an option as well. That's something we can talk about over the phone and just make sure that we are able to make this space that we're working on a space that you just absolutely love and want to be in. We are honestly so incredibly excited to be able to offer this EDesign service on our website and as a part of the House and Home brand. It just feels like a dream come true. And so I want to say to any one of you that I end up designing any of your spaces, I am honestly just so incredibly honored to be able to get to do this and to just be able to help realize your dreams with you and create spaces in your home that you just absolutely love. And I want to thank each one of you, because if it weren't for your support over here on YouTube and shopping with our store and the kind messages that you send us, we wouldn't be where we're at today, and we wouldn't be here right now launching an EDesign service. So I really truly want to thank you all from the bottom of our hearts. I hope you'll go and check it out. Don't forget, we are only able to offer a couple of these services each month. So if they sell out, don't worry, next month we're going to definitely offer some more of those and open those right back up so that we can just get to designing. I can't wait. I hope you all have a great day, and thank you for watching.